Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Chinese New Year is coming. One of the dishes you definitely want to make is Cai Buey, yeah, because as the name suggests, it is the leftovers, yeah. It is actually literally translated as leftover. During Chinese New Year, we always have a lot of leftover roast chicken, roast pork, roast this, roast that, yeah. So normally, our ancestors, they will actually make it into Cai Buey. So mix everything together. So how do we? If you ask me, there's only one thing that you really want to take note when making this chai buey, because the main ingredient we will be using is this thing called mustard green. Yeah, this one, mustard green. And mustard green got one problem. Mustard green has a little bit of bitterness in it. So what you want to do is you want to blanch the mustard green into salted water, slightly salted water for like 5 to 10 minutes to remove the bitterness, right? Then you can use something like this. Actually, I over blanched today a little bit but no problem. So this is one piece of mustard green here, and then we have some. This is dried chili, yeah, dried chili, and I actually have some dried pula. I actually have some roast pork leg, yeah, roast pork leg. I got one whole roast pork leg just now. This is half of it. Cost me about 60 ringgit for the whole roasted pork leg. All right, then most important ingredient here is actually the asam. If you use asam puree, if you use asam keping, then you put in like 5 to 10 pieces of asam keping, and you do need to boil the whole thing together like 30 minutes minimum to really bring out the sourish flavor from the asam keping. But I'm using asam puree today. Any brand will do. This one, I just scoop it out and cook it immediately. It will be, the asam flavor will come up. And then I have some few pieces of ginger and also garlic. And to further enhance or to make the broth even more richer, I'm going to add in one of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder, 100% natural ingredient. And also my new product, this one is my vegetarian mushroom kumbu powder, right? Also 100% natural product. Those interested, you can actually get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. I'll put the link in the video description, or you can buy it physically from any envied Vietnamese restaurant in the whole Malaysia. Right, get ready with a deeper wok. Put a little bit of oil and heat it up. So we're going to saute the ginger and also garlic first. Saute for a minute or two before we continue. Then you can put in your roast pork leg. I'm using roast pork leg today. If you have different kind of roast meat, put everything inside, no problem. Some people even put in sardine fish. But if you put in sardine fish, you don't have to put now, you can put after a bit later. Don't let anyone to tell you what can be put, what cannot be put inside this dish, chai buey, because this is a chai buey, meaning whatever you have, whatever is your leftover, you put it in. Yeah, no right or wrong. This is your kitchen, your rule. Wow, now I can smell the roast pork as well. This is the time. You can put in the hot water. The blanched mustard greens and also dried chili. Actually, normally people will put a lot more on the mustard green, but Appa has a very small family, yeah, so I don't put as much. This is only like one piece of the mustard green. Some will put 2. When you boil it, it looks huge, super huge. But after you blanch it, it will really become quite small, yeah? All right. Now we can season this. Most important thing, we're going to put in the asam, yeah? I'm using asam puree, the simplest way. One to 2 tablespoons. And then 1 teaspoon of my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder. If you don't have my chicken stock, no problem, you use your own chicken stock, right? Then 1 teaspoon of my mushroom and kombu powder. Then I'm going to put in some oyster sauce. Like 1 tablespoon. Ooh, finishing. Let me finish it. I'm going to put in some tomato sauce. Like I told you, some people even put sardine, the canned sardine. Right, also 1 tablespoon. I'm putting some light soy sauce. And my favorite premium Vietnamese fish sauce. You can choose to put CNY or not, up to you, no problem. If you ask me, optional. Now we are getting the color we are looking for. Next thing, very simple, bring this to a boil and let it boil for 30 minutes to 40 minutes, then done. That's how simple it is. Sometimes a lot of those reunion dishes is so much more easier than you thought, seriously. I nearly forgot. Let's put in 1 tablespoon of rock sugar. Right, it is now boiling. I'm going to close it with a lid. Close it with a lid, tune down to medium or medium-low fire, and I shall cook it for at least about half an hour. Then it is done. I actually, even before I cook, I blanch it a bit too long, so the veggie already softened. If your veggie is still very hard, you probably have to cook it for a little bit longer time. All right. Don't forget to add salt. Yeah, I'm not sure if I added salt just now. All right, this is after about 30 minutes. Wow, look at the beautiful color. Oh, the chili oil color also releases. All right, nice. So now what we need to do now is just to use salt and sugar, adjust to taste. If you need more sourish flavor, of course you can put more asam puree as well. Let me have a taste. Wow, very flavorful. I'm going to, spicy also. Hope my family won't complain later. First of all, I'm going to add in a bit more salt. Recently, Papa always forgot to add salt and getting old. I'm going to give it a bit more asam puree for added soury flavor. This is personal preference, no right or wrong, all right? I don't mind giving it some white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is to make an extremely flavorful chai buey at home, especially during Chinese New Year. A lot of people always say, Appa, I like your cooking because very simple. Actually, the fact is, the reality is, anything complicated, Appa also don't know how to make. All right? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button, follow Appa on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.